Best tips to BA topper means how to get rank in class. Be regular and try to sit in front so you can focus on teacher's explanation. Participate in the class. Be active and focused. Raise questions to enhance learning. Listen carefully the teacher and take concise notes of topic being taught to you. Revise whatever the teacher teach you and complete homework on time, regularly. Be obedient and follow the timetable made by your parents after schooling. Be confident and ask to your teacher about any confusion left during the class explanation. Be book lover. Use library. Read reference books to enhance your knowledge. As you know, readers are the leaders. Stay organized. Keep your study materials, notes, and assignments well organized. This will save you time and reduce stress. Use multiple resources. Don't rely solely on one textbook. Utilize various resources like online tutorials and educational websites to gain a deeper understanding. Stay healthy. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Get enough sleep. Eat well. Try to take balanced diet, having milk, fruits and vegetables with all kinds of meat. Be attentive in class and do your classwork attentively. Taking breaks and engaging in activities that you enjoy can help you stay motivated and reduce stress. Make a dedicated hour to play games and spend time with friends. If you develop a positive attitude towards studies and view it as a means to achieve your goals, you will be more motivated to work hard and succeed. Review regularly. Periodically review and revise what you've learned. This helps with long-term retention. Maintain a positive attitude, even in the face of challenges. Believing in your abilities can significantly impact your success.